Welcome to Mojo Portal. Mojo Portal is a dynamic site creator. Using this portal, we can create another website and design the website by making use of the existing feature in the portal. Or another way, we can even add our own feature and skin, that is themes, to the site. But now we have enhanced some custom features. Let's see one by one. The first one is the Skitter slideshow. Is one of the web designing feature. This feature has more attractive effects and properties. Let's log on to this mojoportal.gloriatech.in to see the demo of this slideshow. Now you can see the live slideshow of this Skitter. We have added 4 images and with different effects it appears in the screen. Here we see 4 different pictures. This is the second one and this is the third one and the fourth one. Let's see the settings for this Skitter. To see the settings, let's sign in to the administration site of this portal. Email ID and the password is admin, and sign in to this administration site. Now you find a settings here. Click on the settings, and these are the settings for this slideshow. You can click on this list of effects for your slides to appear, and this is the container. You can set your height and width for this container, and the transition speed, the slide should appear one by one. You can set 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and these are the other properties for this slides. You find a navigation, that is placing an arrow to move the slides, full screen for the slideshow, or you need as a thumbnail images, you can display it, or you need dots or numbers, that is when the slide moves one by one, you find the navigation of one by one with numbers or dots, and you can save the settings. If you need to upload your images, that is import the images to the site, you need to click on browse image. Now you find the screen here. You need to import the image from your desktop to your site. You need to click on browse, click on this and click on this one and click on open. Now you can, before that doing it, you have to select the folder in which your image has to locate. Now I click on gallery images, then Skitter images. Now if I click on upload, it will be located to this folder. You can even set maximum height and width for this image. Now you find this jellyfish.jpg has been located to this folder. Now let's close this one, and if you want to add this image to the list of images in the slideshow, we have to once again click on browse image, open this gallery images, Skitter images, click on this one jellyfish, and you'll find the path of the picture. Click on select and add it to the list. Now you can even select the image and give this slide a effects. I'm just giving on cube random, and I am saving it. You can even add a name to this label to display and click on save. The entire setting is saved. You find the second picture coming up, the third one, fourth, and this fifth. You can add more pictures to look your website attractive and effective. This is all about the Skidder slideshow demo.